Today about 5 biggest blessing where they inside fasting. Subscribe to YouTube channel Nagash Islamic Video so that you go get the latest videos them very easily. These 5 blessing who they talk about now today, plenty of the people they know can get an inside them fasting. But if you say how for go about fasting according to the authentic hadith them from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you get this 5 biggest blessing inside fasting. And inside this 5 blessing, na fast man they can pass each other. All man they keep hungry, all man they keep thirsty, all man they keep inside from haram. But this 5 blessing, na fast man they can pass each other. Number 1 blessing inside fasting, na ina for eat sokoli. Prophet say inside the authentic hadith, tasaharu fa inna fi sahuri baraka. Say una eat sokoli get blessing. Inside another hadith, say difference way between we young fasting and the Christians them fasting and the Jews na ina sokoli eating. We they eat sokoli, then they eat sokoli. When you eat sokoli na what thing? Now food where person they eat where two-third of night don't pass. If na 12 hours they inside the night, if 8 hours don't pass, that balance 4 hours take to morning time, or take to suba prayer, food where they eat inside that time, now they call sahur, now they call sokoli. If not 9 hours they inside the night, some places them, if it's 6 hours don't pass, the balance hours take to suba prayer, ending part of the night, food where person they eat that time, now they call a sahur. So, if a person eat isokoli lidong, then a sokoli, no, not a sokoli dande. Then a normal eat dande who can eat for lidong, but then they will not call dande sahur, not a sahur dande, because you know eating na the time where person they eat sokoli and at the time where Prophet Muhammad mean also. Now, if a person eats sokoli, then a special blessing where they get inside fasting. But what about if you don't eat sokoli? Or you eat your sokoli, you lidong. Then they get the blessing? No, you need to get the blessing. But if fast the poil, nothing need to happen to you fast. If a person no eat sokoli, you no eat sokoli. You grab bende boy no eat sokoli, you fast correct, you fast correct. But that blessing who they talk about, that baraka, na dande you know they get. Uda eat sokoli, you fast get baraka, you fast get blessing more than you. What do they call sokoli? Now for grab, eat boku food, eat rice, then drink coffee, something like that. No. If now water if you drink that time day in the name of sokoli business, they get that particular baraka. Prophet talk down inside another hadith. Say if we wouldn't need to eat sokoli, if la hasayat min al ma, no more for let draw the water so no more 2-3 times, let down be in sokoli, they get that baraka day. 1 tamar, they don't get that baraka. 1 fish ball, they get that baraka. Small bread so no more, they get that baraka. 1 spoon of sati, they get that baraka. 1 spoon of rice, they get that baraka. No more, let eat or drink something that time day for the purpose of sokoli business, they get that baraka. But if you don't eat at all, or you don't do clean, but you need to eat sokoli, you fast, nothing will happen to you fast, inshallah. But the blessing that they don't lose. That's the first biggest blessing. The second biggest blessing also, that they would be sokoli business also. Now aim for delay the sokoli business. Let person no eat sokoli quick. Would they say right now, like sokoli business, they start from then 3 o'clock, 3, 4, 5. Sokoli business they inside and day. So, if a person grab 3 o'clock, you wait till 4 o'clock, 4:35, you eat. Then you don't work with the sunnah of the Prophet, you don't get another baraka, you don't get another blessing. For eat sokoli, 1 big blessing. For delay the sokoli also, towards the suba prayer, in back now, another blessing also. Always, lay only 30 minutes day between you and the suba prayer no more. The area where you dey, whose time when they pray the suba, lay 30 minutes left between you and the prayer, you stop for it. You start it very late. Then when you don't left 30 minutes to the prayer, you stop for it. Or 20 minutes, you stop for it. But 30 minutes na unsafe. Following no poly fast. You don't understand, yeah? So if you do that, they don't work with the Prophet Muhammad in Sunnah for delay the sokoli. You don't get that baraka also. You don't be two. The third baraka na ina fast in self. Fast where person they keep fast. The blessing where they inside and the knowledge man they don't tell you about dandy. Where person they keep fast. Fast man in blessing now all metal self they get next word day. And fast man get two happiness. That time where they cut fast, that happy waking happy so far the day don't know, or you don't drink water, you don't eat food now, hungry don't come up by you. Actually next word day the biggest happiness they wait for you also. You understand? So then it don't be three blessing. Fasting in back now another blessing for himself. So the fourth blessing na ina for it sunakati. For it sunakati. When I say for it sunakati, you know mean for say you eat better for nine sunakati no. Where some for don't know more, for let eat something, where some don't for them, for let person eat something or you drink something. If it be anything, then they na you sunakati than they. So for it sunakati, then in a blessing inside fasting, not a compulsory, not a condition. If a person keep fast, 10 even 10, you know it's sunakati. At all, you know good for it sunakati. 10 midnight, nadane eat. That time they no get no problem. Nothing no happen to you fast. But na baraka you don't lose. Na blessing you don't lose. You don't understand? So Prophet says sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Iza aqbala al-laylu min hahuna wa adbara an-naharu min hahuna, say faqad aftara as-sa'imu." Say if the night don't come and they don't go, say fast man in blessing don't come. Fast man in fast don't complete. In fast in blessing don't complete. If he eat, he no eat. Fast in blessing don't complete. Where some for don't, the day don't do. But if he eat sokoli, he get if he eat sunakati, he get blessing more than the person who no green for eat sunakati. But nothing no happen to una fast them all. The last blessing and the biggest one, and we say most of the people they know they understand. Na ina for eat sunakati earlier, for rush for eat sunakati. Prophet Muhammad say, "La yazalu nasu bi khairin ma ajjalul fitr." Say people then go remain inside goodness. Goodness go remain upon the people them as long as then they rush up for cut fast. For eat sunakati. No wait, stay down for pray for 3. No. No say, no will saligi it. No was it. No. We stand down for them. Is that kantum bi ghurubi shams fafturu. If you don't make certainty for the stand down for them, now for cut fast. If an application they tell you that they inside your phone, if na call prayer they tell you that they, if na anything, when they call pray no more, now for it. No wait. Then they for rush up for cut fast, then in another blessing. When most of the people then can miss this way on time. Then they say, all day they fast. Now I can't pull me fast. Then they sit down there, then they don't go for pray for 3. Say let them make believing, say time don't reach. No. If night don't fall no more, sun don't fall down, fast don't complete, anything you eat that time day, you don't meet up the sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam for rush up for cut fast. No delay, cut fast at all. If not to then they lost that blessing. Well, but wait, then they say, we shaitan cut fast before you, you fast don't spoil, you don't get fast for that, they know. That word not true, you don't get base. For sky the people, they know, let them cut fast quick. If not to then they all believe the shaitan need to cut, shaitan need to keep fast. No, so. Person way no green for makes you do, that need to keep fast? No. But if a person cut fast, it get blessing. If you rush up for cut fast earlier, you know wait for pray for 3, it get another blessing, 2 blessing. For each sokoli, blessing. For delay the sokoli, another blessing. Fast don't add pandandi, 5 blessing don't complete way the inside the fasting. May God give you understanding. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.